sale in Annapolis, and these have been listed for a median 41 days on the market thus far. It's Friday, October 28th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. 41% of these currently listed have made pricing adjustments. This is below the 54% for the entire Mid-Atlantic region. However, the price adjustment in Annapolis is only 3.36% compared to the region's 7% pricing adjustment. What does this mean for home values? Well, home values are still strong. Even with these pricing adjustments, home prices will be between 20% and 40% higher than they were in 2019. We saw 22 new listings hit the market over the past week. 17 went under contract, 6 moved to pending, 23 sold in 18 days at 96.1% list to sold ratio. The highest sale was in Bay Ridge for $2,900,000. Rental inventory is holding steady at 32 homes for lease at an average of $3,049 per month and steady at 20 days active. Thinking about moving? You should feel confident about buying or selling a home. My job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, data, and information, and then bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 28th, 2022. Be sure to check out our Halloween event calendar at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Events in the navigation bar to find places for the kiddos to trick or treat or some spooky fun. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.